For more than 30 years, Geoprobe has redefined drilling, delivering smart, efficient solutions that meet and exceed the needs of the industry. Today's geotechnical drillers choose the Geoprobe 31 series to increase productivity and profit. Features like an innovative centerline head shift and a dedicated hydraulic circuit for the mud pump make drilling faster, easier, and safer. Save time between applications and boost productivity with all the 31 series head functions positioned along the centerline head side shift, maximizing production and rig utilization. Reduce physical strain and protect your crew with hands-free rotation and feed, keeping drillers out of harm's way. The 31 series intuitive controls make drilling easy for both seasoned pros and new hires. You can expand your business and tap into multiple revenue streams with one rig. Offering hollow stem augers, SPT, rock coring, mud rotary, air rotary, CPT, plus direct push. Beginning in 2024, all 31 series rigs are manufactured to be NWD capable, giving your business the option to add the NWD kit before or after it leaves our facility. For challenging formations, drillers turn to the Geoprobe 3135 GT, a compact powerhouse delivering 10,000 foot-pounds of measured torque at up to 1,000 RPM. The 3135 GT is engineered to conquer tough geology with ease. Need even more accessibility options? The 3126 GT handles off-road terrain with wide tracks and a small footprint without sacrificing power. Or choose the 3100 GT with all the functionality and power of your typical geotechnical machine on a truck chassis without the need for a Class AB CDL. Geoprobe isn't just about rigs. It's about our innovative tooling system. The 2-inch and 3-inch interlocking split spoons feature a self-aligning design and multi-lead threads that reduce bulging, speed up intervals, and withstand repeated pounding in tough geologies. That means less time in the field and more savings to your bottom line. A spring-assisted swivel lift cap self-adjusts to align threads, reducing forearm and wrist strain and easing physical effort for both the driller and helper. It does the heavy lifting, literally. At Geoprobe, we design, build, and support rigs and tooling as one refined system. Our mission is clear: to pioneer innovative, cutting-edge products that support technical drillers in any industry. Would you like to learn more? Visit geoprobe.com or give us a call at 785-825-1842.